Guys, check out these absolutely beautiful bar stools that were gifted to me. These things are absolutely amazing and I am so stoked to have these. And they have this nice wraparound back that you can see here, and they're really nice and cushiony, which is an absolute must for me because I'm 6 foot, 200 pounds, and I don't want to be sitting on a cheap little flimsy bar stool. I need something sturdy that's going to support my weight, and these are absolutely going to do that. Let's go ahead and take a close up look at these bar stools. This is the color sand. This is a really nice soft fabric, and the cushion, let's do a little squeeze test here. Look how much cushion these things have. I'm telling you, if you're looking for something that is comfortable and your main focus is not just looks, because these already check that box of being aesthetically pleasing. They look fabulous, but next, is it comfortable? These are very comfortable because of the design and that nice wraparound back and how much cushion they gave you here. So we have also these solid wood legs, and they gave it like that kind of rustic look too, which is really cool. And then this is a metal ring footrest that goes all the way around. And if you're wondering about installation, how hard these are to put together, they're not hard to put together at all. Virtually anybody can do it, and it comes with everything you need to put these together. And they are 360-degree swivel, which makes it really nice because you're able to get in and out so much easier. Especially if you're a bigger person, you need to be able to pull around and you're not doing that whole thing where you're, shifting up to the counter and having to push all the way back and trying to get out of the chair. You don't have to worry about that anymore because you just spin around and you're able to get out so easy. Absolutely beautiful chairs. I really appreciate the brand for sending these out to me. And if you guys are looking for some new bar stools, I would highly recommend going and checking these out.